Another area of the house that should be looked at while inspecting the interior walls is the garage. Garages are designed to provide access and indoor storage for outdoor equipment. Given the types of potential dangers that are stored in the garage, such as automobiles and flammable materials, all garages should incorporate modern safety features. All garages have a large door that provides access for automobiles. There are two types of residential garage doors: single panel and roll-up sectional doors. Panel doors have springs for counterbalance. And both styles of doors must be sized according to their dimensions and weight. The garage door should operate smoothly, and there should not be any jerking or binding up movements as the door opens. Both sides of the door should lift at the same time, and the opener should not appear to struggle while lifting the door. On panel doors, the springs should be in good condition, and the coils should appear even. On sectional doors, the track should be in good working order, allowing a smooth range of motion. Newer garage doors include safety sensors that protect against the door closing and injuring someone. The first sensor is a pressure-activated auto-reversing mechanism that reverses the door's movement if the door comes into contact with an object while the door is in motion. To check if this feature is working, simply place a broom handle in the door's path while closing, and the door should stop and automatically reopen. The second safety sensor that the garage door should have is an infrared tripwire sensor at the corner of the door's opening. This sensor stops the door's movement if an object disturbs the infrared beam while the door is in motion. To check if the sensor is working properly, simply begin to close the door and move a broomstick between the sensors to see if the door stops and reopens. Because of the potential risk of fire in the garage, the door that leads into the house should have a 20-minute fire resistance rating. The garage should also have an additional exit, other than the main garage door and the door leading into the house. If there is any room in the house that shares a wall with the garage, for fire safety, both sides of that wall need to be drywalled. This also includes rooms located above the garage. Additionally, there should be vents installed on the lower parts of the walls to the outside, so that fumes from automobiles and utility equipment do not gather near the garage floor. Due to the nature of tools and equipment that are often used in the garage, GFCI outlets are a safety item that is highly recommended. A water supply cutoff valve is also recommended for the garage, often in conjunction to the water heaters. Garage water heaters are often gas-powered. Given that the pilot flame is located on the water heater, it is important that the heater be installed around 18 inches above the garage floor. This is to prevent the ignition of flammable gases, which tend to pool near the floor of the garage. This risk is dramatically increased when you store flammable materials like gasoline and paint in the garage itself. Such materials should be stored in a metal cabinet outside.